So, hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Fun, and let's continue with interview questions. So, questions for today are first, what is a test scenario? So, test scenario is a high level description of functionality or feature to be tested. Test scenario mainly focus on what to test rather than how to test, right? So, test scenario is a guide for test case. So, before you can go on for test case, you have to write test scenario. So actually you should know what you want to test, right? Only then you can work on it in detail. So what are the examples? Suppose if we take example of e-commerce. So firstly we have user registration and login page, correct? Then we have product search and filter, add to cart, checkout and payment, and order confirmation. So all these are scenarios that you want to test, right? So now we know what all functionality or feature we have to test. Then we go on to the test cases. So test case is a set of action or instructions that verify the software application is working as the client requires or not. Correct? So our test case is set of action or instructions to verify the software. So what are those actions or instructions? It includes test case ID, right? So suppose if there is a login page or registration page, there can be number of test cases. So you have to give ID, the test case 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Then we have prerequisites. So what are prerequisites? Suppose there is a login page. So prerequisite for the login page will be that the user should be an existing user, correct? If the user is existing user, only then he or she can log in. Otherwise, you have to sign up or we say register, correct? Then we have description. Description is what you are testing. Like verify if the user enters correct email and password. Correct. Then comes in the expected result. Expected result is in the client's requirement. So the requirement, what will be the requirement? If correct email and password is entered, then user should be able to successfully log in. Then your actual result. So when you test it actually, then what result you are getting? When you enter correct email or password, are you able to successfully and log in or it's failing, right? So this is an actual result. Suppose if I successfully able to log in, then your success, correct? So after that comes in the status. So status is as we discussed in actual result. Suppose if correct email and password is entered and user is able to successfully log in, then the status will be pass. And if the user is not able to successfully log in, encounters an error or issue, then the status is fail. So if the status is pass, that means your actual is as per the expected, and if status is fail, then the actual is different from the expected. You need to fix it. Correct? So thank you so much for watching, and if you like my teaching, please like, share and subscribe. And I would like to say, if any one of you want these videos to be in Hindi, please comment. I will surely put this in Hindi if you like. Thank you so much.